BluFx prop trading honest review. Watch before using. Most people get prop trading wrong. They think it's only for high-risk gamblers or elite traders. The surprising truth about BluFx is that it offers access to professional trading strategies without needing your own capital, and you won't believe how accessible it can be for beginners. Here's how it works. BluFx is a proprietary trading platform that allows users to follow and copy professional trader strategies in real time. You start by creating an account, selecting a trader to follow, and linking a funded demo or live account. The platform handles trade execution automatically, mirroring the expert trader's moves. For example, a beginner who wants to learn forex trading could start with a small account and follow a professional with a proven track record. This approach allows you to see strategies in action, understand market timing, and gradually build confidence without risking large sums upfront. Most people get this wrong. They assume prop trading is too complex, but BluFx is designed to be beginner-friendly and educational. Additional features include risk management settings, trade notifications, and performance analytics. Users can track how each trader performs over time, set limits to protect their capital, and switch between multiple strategies. However, there are considerations. While BluFx reduces barriers to entry, trading always carries risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Most people assume following a trader ensures profits, but careful monitoring and realistic expectations are essential. In conclusion, BluFx is ideal for aspiring traders who want to learn from professionals, test strategies, and potentially profit without needing a large personal trading fund. It's a hands-on learning experience with real-world exposure. Subscribe for more honest reviews of trading platforms and financial tools.